Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. In today's video, we will learn the phonics, and we have completed our S sound in the previous video. So in this video, we will try to complete the B sound. So stay connected with me. Ball. B, ball. B, ball. Biscuit. B, biscuit. B, biscuit. Bad. B, bad. B, bad. Bat. B, bat. B, bat. Burger. B, burger. B, burger. Bunny. B, bunny. B, bunny. Bug. B, bug. B, bug. Balloons. B, balloons. B, balloons. Boy. B, boy. B, boy. Butterfly. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. Baby. B, baby. B, baby. Banana. B, banana. B, banana. Boat. B, boat. B, boat. Bus. B, bus. B, bus. Bee. B, bee. B, bee. Bear. B, bear. B, bear. Boot. B, boot. B, boot. Book. B, book. B, book. Bread. B, bread. B, bread. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.